Welcome to my channel. Today I am back with a new energetic drink. Let's get into the video. For making this, some liquids are required. It's easily available at home. Here I am gonna use lemon juice. It gives nice taste. Ginger juice good for digestion. Amla juice helps to reduce grey hair. Tang powder, lemon flavor. For sweetness, I am gonna use Nannari syrup. Finally, add some Sabja seeds. Mix well and add chilled water. Now it's all ready. Consume this when you feel like drowsy. Try it at home and enjoy your day. Before preparing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.